at 17,550. Go ahead.
Hey Nigel, morning to you and Mangalam to you as well. See, very interestingly, Nifty has shown a good gap up opening today and sustaining that. That's a positive sign. One very interesting aspect that I am observing is today is the 15th day from the low formed around 15,600 odd levels. And not a single time Nifty has closed on a daily chart below the prior day low, except an outside candle, which happened only once, and that does not change the trend. So if you are a trend follower guy and if you are riding this trend, then simply look at the closing. If Nifty does not close below the prior day low, continue to carry on your positions and the trend remains bullish. Having said that, for the intraday basis, I think you should get a dip and use that as a buying opportunity. Do not try to catch a top here. Any dips towards the level of 17,420 should be a good buy on the stop loss of 17,340, expecting 17,500 where we have little higher call open interest build up. So there is going to be some hurdle around 17,500. And if that is crossed decisively, I think we are in for another 200 points gain on Nifty.
We take that point. In fact, alongside the Nifty bank, we have a couple of other factors playing out as well. Reliance, the biggest weight, is now moved to the high point of trade. It's actually recovered over 1% from the lows as well. Ashish, individual stocks, what do you have on your list for us?
So the first stock is Tata Consumer. We all know there is a news announcement with Tata Coffee, which is up by 11%. Tata Consumer is also up significantly. And I think it's with a huge volume. So I'm looking at the chart, looking at that, a huge volume, good breakout. And after a long time, we are seeing this stock buzzing around. So there is a possibility Tata Consumer might head towards the target of 830 levels on the upside. Stop loss has to be at 747. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be tin plate. See, when the broader market was collapsing, this stock just went sideways. And now as soon as we are seeing stability returning back, we are seeing it again moving towards its 52-week high. So there is a classic strong move on this stock expected from here on as well. The volumes are good. We are seeing bullish candle formations, took support at around its 10 days average and bouncing back from there. So go long on tin plate, keeping a stop loss of 394 for the target of 437.
All right, we take your point and take your point on Tata Consumer as well. But talking about the consumer space,